Hey guys, let's uh let's have a chat. So some of you are gonna hate this video. I hate making this video because I know how the reaction is gonna be to it. But I'm making this video for an important reason. It's a little bit of clarity, explanation, transparency, whatever you want to call it, and also a little bit of this isn't like super easy. So in front of me, you can see right here is I don't know if you can see it. It's even in the shot. It's a ton of money. Is approximately $500. Let me just pick it up. Let me just pick it all up. It's, approximately $500. That is, roughly speaking, the amount of money it costs me to run this month's giveaway, including buying the parts, save for a power supply and case, which are being excluded due to shipping costs and the fact that I have to be fair to every country, so I can't just exclusively do like every country except for the United States doesn't get power supply, so no one gets a power supply or case. But I will probably PayPal the person, allow them to buy a power supply. Case, you don't need a case, but roughly speaking, $500. That's $500 if the winner is a United States winner, meaning that the shipping cost is roughly $100 for all the parts. I'll be shipping in one big box of just straight up boxes of computer parts. If it is an international winner, it will cost me anywhere from $600 to $800 total. Now, screenshot on screen right now, you can see here is my last month's Twitch revenue, which I was paid on the 15th of April. So if you don't know, no, 15th of May, my bad. This is April's revenue, paid on the 15th of May. If you don't know, I use the months prior revenue from Twitch to pay for the following month's giveaway. Now, I'm going to show you something here that's just, I'm just going to leave it out there. I'm not saying to do anything or anything. This is last month's revenue from April 1st through April 16th. Next to it is May's revenue from May 1st to May 16th. There is a large difference. Now, that is probably my fault. I don't know what happened last month compared to this month. There was probably a big bit donation that time. That is just the difference. And I'm saying this now. Last month, $615. I was paid after taxes and fees approximately $576. It's pretty good. That's plenty to run some kind of computer giveaway. And if I am able to save shipping costs by not shipping a heavy power supply, which on its own can cost up to $50 to ship, and a giant case. Now, I'm not sending a case just because it's big, it's bulky, it could break the whole thing. Like, if I send a case with a bunch of parts, the case could just crush everything else. It's statistically likely. And if I put it together, it's likely the graphics card snaps off the PCIe slot, so I'm going to send it in parts. I will, however, be making a specific tutorial on how to put together the giveaway PC, using the specific parts of the giveaway PC, so you don't have to worry about that. I will, of course, be making a tutorial how to put it together. But I'll be saving shipping costs by not sending a power supply or a case. If there is money left over from that, budget, which is approximately $576, I will send PayPal or Amazon gift card or whatever you use to buy parts to buy a power supply and a case. More importantly, power supply. Cases aren't really necessary. So, you can see the difference between the revenues. I was able to use last month's Twitch revenue to pay for this month's giveaway. Easily. And this is also serves as, this is probably called like how I pay for these giveaways, because it's a title that explains this is how I pay for the giveaway. It comes from three places. Twitch revenue first. That is the first, I call it line of defense, where I'll spend 90% of it on the parts, 10% on the shipping. I might lose some money, I might make some money. If I only have to pay $500 flat for the parts and the shipping, I get to make, the 76 extra bucks, and that's for me to keep, to buy like these cool ass 1080 Ti's, for me to build a cool PC, which people are going to hate me for. Like, oh, you're just bragging. That's why I did the money on the table, just to brag. So yeah. And, I gotta keep that. If not, if that whole entire budget gets spent on, let's say, shipping and parts, or parts end up being more expensive, or I realize I've got an SSD, so I have to rush one day ship an SSD to myself, it goes to YouTube revenue. Now, normally, I have $100 to $200 in monthly YouTube revenue mostly from the giveaway video. Now, the giveaway video only has made about $50 so far. I think it's only at 40, but by in a week it'll have 50. But I get actually like $20 here and $10 here from my two highest viewed videos: how to run VR in an RX 580 and or can you use two different graphics cards. They have 40 and 20,000 views respectively, so they actually do make a decent amount of money per month for me. They get about 10,000 views a month, which is pretty nice, and they're not giveaway videos, so my most viewed videos are not giveaway videos. Now, I'm going to say something. First of all, this is not going to be me begging you for donations. I do not expect, I do not ask, I do not beg. I even tell you not to donate money to me directly. That is a waste of money. You're just giving money to me. Yeah, cool, you get extra entries for the giveaway on Twitch if you donate because it helps pay for the giveaway. But no, you're not just going to win because of it, so don't waste your money on me. Waste your time. So I haven't loaded this video with ads because the message is very important. But on my Twitch, Twitch revenue is pretty good. I mean, not this month, obviously, but their ad rates are pretty high. It lets you do a lot of stuff on Twitch. Basically, the next time I'm going to live stream is today, of the time of this video. I'm going to leave this video up for a while, but I'm going to schedule a live stream for May 16th, which is today, at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll probably go live a little earlier, but at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can expect me to be live. I will probably be playing either Sleeping Dogs or GTA 5, and basically, I'm going to try to make the stream as interesting as possible, meaning whatever chat tells me to do, I will do. Roughly speaking, I'm not going to play Roblox or Fortnite, because that's stupid unless someone donates $50, in which case I have to play Fortnite, because that's the obligation, but that's not the point. So, I'm going to schedule a stream. If people show up, I will probably spam it with ads. You can only play 3 minutes of ads every 8 minutes, so every 5 minutes of stream is really, then 3 minutes of ads, roughly speaking. So it's not like you can just spam ads the whole stream. People won't just get ads every single time. So it's not like having 100 viewers means 100 people get 10 ads in a row. It means if you have 100 viewers, 40 people will get a ton of ads, and 60 people will be like, why didn't I get ads? And then I have to explain that not everyone gets ads. So, that is my explanation. That is how the giveaways are paid for. Oh, I forgot the third frontier, I guess we'll call it. Why am I calling it frontier? I don't know. But the third line of defense is I do have a job. I have a job. I deliver pizza. If I have to spend extra money on the giveaway, which, like I said, if there's a winner, they're getting something, so if I have to, it comes from my job and my personal finances, which are fine. It's not terrible. I mean, my credit's horrible because I buy a bunch of PC parts and give them away, and I can't tax because it's not really tax deductible. But that you guys don't care. You guys don't do taxes. So yeah. If you, like I said, I mean, here's the thing: the amount of followers on Twitch I've gotten. Now, this is not directly related, and I completely understand people are just and people think I'm stupid. I am, but I know most of my subscribers are just here for giveaways. That's why I do one a month, to keep them here. I do them to gain subs, followers, and make money. Here's the thing on Twitch. I have gained a couple hundred followers in the last 2 weeks. That means there are a couple hundred people who have Twitch. And I would reckon, given the time zone constraints, roughly speaking, if I schedule the stream for 9 p.m. tonight, on May 16th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, roughly speaking, there are at least 200 people fully capable of showing up. They have nothing to do because school is over for a lot of people. And if you have schoolwork, I am happy to help you. I am good at physics and math, and that's about it. Not really, but I can try. No, I'm kidding about that whole thing. I don't know even why I'm saying this. I don't script these because there's no point in scripting them. But, there's not really homework anymore. It's a Friday. It was, say, Saturday. I'm so lost in my days. It's Saturday. It's quarantine. I'll be home from work. I do go to work tonight. I'm filming this before work, uploading it, then going to work. I like waiting. So I like uploading a video. Completely sidetracked. You know how I do. I like uploading a video like before I go to bed, or before I go to work, or before I go out and do like grocery shopping or something. Because this way I can come back and be like, wow, people love me. Just kidding. It's been 8 hours and I got 100 views. But that's besides the point. So, and also, just so you know, you can keep liking videos. Like if I upload this video and you like it and send a screenshot, you do get an extra entry. I might make it worth 2. Hell, it's worth 2. I lied. If you watch this far and you screenshot this video and you put the like in Discord or Twitter, I'll give you 2 entries for it. Why? Because I can. That's what people don't realize. The entries, I don't have like a bank of entries. It's just making myself more work because I do have to enter most of them. And if you're wondering how I'm able to do it, I do a lot of rounding. So if I see someone gives me a giant list of liked videos, I just assume they've liked all of them, and I do 250. There's only about 214 videos. I just assume 250. It makes it easy, but I do it for everyone. So if someone liked 187 videos, I'm not going to count 187. I'm going to be 250 flat. So that's how I do it. If I'm being fully honest, I do a lot of rounding. It makes it so much easier for me. That's the point. So that's really all I want to say. There's a stream scheduled for when I said it's scheduled. I can't read how long I've been going on this thing here. But that's the point. So basically, stream scheduled tonight. If enough people show up, I might be able to spam enough ads. I mean, maybe if we play GTA, I'm thinking if I play GTA, there's like a huge meme going on TikTok, and I don't do TikTok. I mean, I do, but I don't. But there's still this huge purple, green crap going on in GTA. Maybe if a ton of people will show up, we can get a bunch of random people and kind of make a huge thing out of it. I don't know. But here's the thing. I want to leave you with this. If just 10% of my Twitch followers showed up to each one of my live streams. Now, that's a ton. I'm not pretending that's going to happen. This is not going to happen. But I'm going to leave you with something. 10% of my Twitch followers showed up. Yes, I can't do math very well. 10% of my Twitch followers showed up to each one of my live streams and allowed me to play a regular amount of ads. Maybe I play a competitive game and I play one set of ads between games. I would make enough money per month to give away 3 full entire gaming setups. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, PC. So I have 7,100 followers on Twitch. So that's, 710 people, which is way too many people. That's way more than I would ever get. But I just want to leave that out there. If just 10% showed up to every stream, I would have enough to give away 3 full gaming setups per month. And really good ones. I mean I don't know. I'm trying to think of specs. Ryzen 5 3600Xs. B450 motherboards, RX 590s or 5700 XTs, depending on where I split. I'm just putting it out there. Or I could give away 6 budget gaming PCs like the one I'm giving away this month, where I boxed up a bunch of parts. But just saying, just to put that out there, 10%. Now, if 10% of my YouTube followers showed up, I would never have to, do any work ever again because I'd have 1,000 followers, viewers per stream, and I'd basically be set for life. But that's besides the point. 10% is not going to show up. If even 5% showed up, I'd have enough to give away 3 budget PCs per month. But that's besides the point. I hope you guys come enjoy this video, which you didn't. I'm going to get so much hate in the comments. I'm predicting it now. Here's the thing. If there's people, that's why I have this mug here. If there are people who are going to hate this video, well, all I'm doing is explaining that the giveaways cost money. I'm not rich. I'm not Linus Tech Tips. It doesn't cost me nothing to do a giveaway because I don't have sponsors. I'm not going to pretend I have sponsors. I'm not a freaking lying fake channel that pretends they have sponsors when they don't because they don't actually do giveaways. I have to pay for this crap. But basically, you have to pay for this crap because with your time, it pays me money. So, yeah, that's really how it is. Usually, I like to spend all of my Twitch revenue and keep the YouTube revenue for myself. But with the channel hack last month, I basically have no monetization on half my videos. So I get about $100 every 2 months instead of $100 every 1 month. That's not the point. Here's the thing. Let me get back to my main point. If you hate this video, if you hate me for making this video, leave. I'm fine with that. That is fine by me. Because it means you don't really care. Because here's the thing. If you clicked on this video, you knew exactly what it was about. And if you're going to either A, complain, wow, look at him begging for money, which I'm not. I'm telling you not to donate your money. What a waste of money to donate money to me. Now, you can, but I'm not going to tell you to. I'm just telling you, maybe if you want to show up to the stream, leave your computer on at this point. I don't know how Twitch works anymore. They won't tell me anything. They're looking for an excuse to ban me. No, I'm just telling you, these aren't free. They cost money, but I'm not telling you to donate. I'm not a scammer. That would be partially illegal, depending on how I do it. But yeah, so that's the video. I think my timer on my camera is broken. Sorry about that, but that's the point. So if you enjoyed, leave a like. If you didn't, if you want 2 entries, leave a like, screenshot it. If not, go ahead and leave. It's fine. You clicked on this video knowing what it was, and if you clicked on it and somehow hated it, that's entirely your fault. And if you're going to be mad at me in the comments, you can comment something mean and then exit my channel. That is fine. I love the mean comments because it shows that I have a community and not a cult. If you see a channel that has no hate comments, they have a cult, not a community. So that's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Don't forget, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. I will be live. If you want to show up, maybe 300 people show up. Maybe I give away a graphics card on stream. Who knows?